guys, I'm Caleb.
And I'm Aubrey.
And we are from
Caleb Reconnor.
And today we're going to be making
pizza
and doing a review on it.
And our mom's here, and she's a vegan, so she's going to be making a vegan pizza today. So first we have the crust, then we have olive oil and everything
Tomato
else
sauce,
we need.
Cheese, vegan cheese, pineapples, and olives.
Okay.
This looks pretty good.
Here's our
smells
thing.
really good.
Now we're gonna add oil. My mom's gonna start because she knows how to do it,
I
and
have no idea.
So I'm just going to drizzle it,
and
and then I'll use my spoon to do the rest.
we all have spoons. She's getting one.
Is that good?
Okay. Now my turn. I'm scared. I don't want to spill.
You can get the crust a little bit too,
The crust
Is that good?
or the edge of it.
Okay, if you can't see, this is mine, and the oil.
Mine is already rubbed in. You can't really tell. All right, now tomato sauce.
Olive oil is disgusting.
4, 5. Is that good? Or one more?
I think that's good.
Or
You can always just add one more.
I don't want to touch it because there's some dripping. Okay.
I want one more.
4,
Can I do
5.
And the pizza's going to stay on the foil.
Ooh, that was a lot. Okay.
Can I have one more?
This is like so soft, probably because of the oil. Normally, if I don't put oil, it's probably going to be like very hard to move. Think that's good now, please?
Mhm.
Okay, wait. Here's my mom's cheese, I think.
Mhm.
I'll go first with this.
Caleb and Aubrey have mozzarella cheese.
Wait, it's Calvin
Pizza.
cheese?
Mozzarella.
What's yours, Calvin?
Chow.
Oh.
This one's Chinese or
I'll
something.
say that one for another pizza.
Okay,
And then I'm going to do some pineapple.
you need to make sure you get every spot, but don't get too close to the corners, I think. That looks good.
It looks good by itself without anything on it.
I know. I just want to eat it. Okay. That's spicy. That sauce. Okay, I'm gonna get water.
Oops, I did this.
want to add maybe like a tiny bit of Pineapple.
There you go.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Caleb, what are you using for your
I'll
meat?
just put a bit more.
Aubrey, do you want to add more cheese to yours?
After I add pineapple juice, instead of pineapples, I'm gonna add a little bit of pineapple juice.
Alright, I'm gonna add ham to my pizza. It's gonna be delicious. I can just whip it up.
This is good.
Aubrey, do you want any ham on your pizza?
No thanks. Pineapple juice and cheese is good.
Canadian bacon.
Okay, are we ready?
For oven?
I just need to put
One
a
second.
little bit on top to cover up the pineapple juice. Okay, I think we're ready for the oven.
I just gotta finish my ham.
Mine has a lot of extra juice because I added pineapple juice on it. My brother's adding meat. Can I have a little slice like this? Yum.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna rip apart the
Okay,
fake
I just
pieces.
need a little tiny bit for over here.
Alright, there, that's good.
Okay, that's hot. I can feel it from here. Do we need to add anything under them or do they
We'll
stay?
keep them on the foil.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys when it's in the oven. Right there.
Wait about 7 minutes to check it.
Okay, we'll see you guys in about 7 minutes.
Alright, the pizza is done cooking, so now we're gonna get them out of the oven and try them out. See how good they are.
Alright. So we're starting with.
And these pizzas we're going to cook tomorrow. We're going to cook after we try these and stuff like that.
It looks so
And
good.
tomorrow we're going to eat these for lunch. So we're cooking that too. Oh, look, mine has a big cheese bubble.
So let it cool for a sec.
I added pineapple juice.
What?
I added pineapple juice on my pizza. That's probably the yellows on the side. Look, probably the juicy yellow. Mine has a big bubble on top. Okay. Oh look, what is this?
It's probably just burnt cheese. Ooh, it looks so good.
Ready for me to cut it?
Yep.
That looks so, mine looks so good.
So, are they cooled down yet?
I think so.
Ooh, mine is a
Time
take
to
nibbles.
taste it.
Which one should I taste? I'll taste the one without bubble.
Oh no. That's unfortunate.
You good,
Okay,
baby?
I'll still eat it.
Smell the pineapple juice. Adding pineapple juice.
It's good enough.
Good.
It's
I
good.
taste a lot of pineapple. It's not the best with the pineapple though. It's
Yeah, that's really, really good. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and
and subscribe.
of course, because why not?
See you
Alright.
next time.
Bye.
Bye.